Good afternoon, class. My name is Sarabpreet and today I'm going to talk about Prezi versus Google Docs. Prezi, founded in 2009, and is a cloud-based software that creates 3D zooming presentations. So basically, your presentation is on one page and you just zoom in on any of your bubbles or boxes that you have with information in. You can automatically sync your presentations with your iPad or iPhone and store your presentations securely offline and in the cloud. Prezi has over 5 million users. That's a lot. Now, you guys must be wondering, what is this cloud I keep on talking about? Well, cloud computing involves a large number of computers connected through a communication network. Example, the internet, or any type of account or app that you could open anywhere, not just on your computer, such as Facebook, Twitter, etc., which is basically over the internet. Cloud can be another word for the internet also. If I confused you guys, let's pretend that this cloud over here is the internet. You could open the internet on each one of these devices. That's cloud computing. Let's say if you stored a Microsoft Word here, you wouldn't be able to open them on these devices over here, which is not cloud computing. Those are PC-based applications. Google Docs. Google Docs were first introduced in 2010, and when they were first introduced, they only had 1 GB of storage, and now they have 15 GB. You can attach a file and email it to people and translate documents, presentations, and spreadsheets into different languages. Google Docs also has cloud computing. Now let's go away from this for a moment, and I'm going to ask you guys a question and I'll call people later. What starts with the E, ends with the E, but only contains one letter? Think about it.
I? No.
No, not I.
Okay.
That has 3 letters. Anybody?
E.
No. Okay, do you guys... Okay.
The letter E?
No. Okay.
Okay, move on.
No. No more. Envelope. You guys get it?
No.
No.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
An envelope contains only one letter inside of it, and it starts with the E and it ends with the E. Okay. Now let's compare the two. Google and Prezi both have cloud computing. In Google, you could translate documents into different languages, and you could create many things with Google. And you don't always need to rely on an internet connection. Prezi has cloud computing also, as I mentioned earlier, and creates 3D zooming presentations, but it only makes Prezi presentations. And since it's an account, you do need the internet. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Google Docs and Prezi are both cloud-based softwares that have their own features that millions of people like to use. Thank you for listening to my speech.
Okay, Sarabpreet, your time 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Another amazing presentation from you. A lot of material, interesting facts. You put everything in there, and confidence level. Totally, you were displaying over here like you ruled. You ruled the stage actually. So that's what we were looking forward to is you ruling the stage, all of you. Now, one thing I want to talk about is the very first slide you went into, the very first slide. And if you look at the colors, and that's what Pali had mentioned, we got to work on those colors. I think that's where I dinged you because of that one slide. But other than that, you went smoothly through the whole thing. I have nothing really to add on to it.
It's absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, good job there. Okay, and now I'd like to say